Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, first of all, welcome to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it is totally based on modern hand embroidery design ideas that are very trending, they are very in. Yes friends, today's video is a 10 in 1 collection ideas. That is, you are going to get creative and amazing ideas at how you can utilize one hand embroidery pattern in maximum ways, in 10 different ways to utilize one embroidery pattern for creating many type of DIY creative fashionable accessories. Like all of these beautiful and very easy embroidery patterns that are basically based on simple and basic hand embroidery stitches with only one embroidery stitch pattern focused, that is a Brazilian embroidery stitch or Brazilian stitch or a Brazilian embroidery, 3D hand embroidery flowers, modern hand embroidery. Different types of beautiful names could be termed for this one single and very beautiful thing. So now we are going to discuss that how many different ways or various ways you can use this. First, you can use to make face masks for keeping yourselves protected from coronavirus, and COVID's fourth wave is again in its full wave and is heavily affecting human community, so it is best for us to stay protected. And secondly, you can use it for home decor, like designing your pillow covers, cushion covers. Third, you can also make this for your table mats, chair covers. Fourth, you can use it for hoop art like wall art. 6, you can use it for baby girl dress designing onto your baby girl frocks, yokes, shirts. 6, you can use it for designing of denim embroidery. Denim embroidery is a very focused and a very attentive and very famous embroidery pattern. So if you will make these very beautiful 3D Brazilian embroidered flowers onto your denim jackets, denim dresses or denim shirts, they would look absolutely amazing. 7th, you can use to make your handbags, fabric material made bags, grocery bags, college bags, clutches, or everyday use purse or pouches more creative by embroidering these very beautiful patterns of 3D embroidery. 8th, you can use to make very beautiful hand embroidered mobile covers. 9th, you can use to decorate your classes covers as well. And 9th, you can use to design it on your shirts, kurtis, neckline. 10th, you can use to design it your hand knitted stuff, crochet stuff like sweaters, cardigans, gloves. So thank you. If you really like my video, then friends, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed or watching my video for the very first time, and kindly let us know what you want us to share with you, and please make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching again.